The HilderAmp headset mic has a mute switch, which is great, but how does it sound? In this video, you're going to hear how it sounds, but you're also going to hear how the AKG C520 sounds. I bought the AKG C520 a number of years ago based on a headset mic shootout that Sweetwater did for drummers. And I thought the AKG C520 sounded the best. I wanted a good sounding mic for my live performance. Let's get started. So this is the AKG C520. And I'm going to test these mics singing a song because I designed the HilderAmp headset mic for live music performance, not for podcasting or anything like that. It's got to sound good in a mix for like in music. So here we go. There is a balm in Gilead to make the wounded whole. There is a balm in Gilead to heal the sin-sick soul. And this is the HilderAmp headset mic. There is a balm in Gilead to make the wounded whole. There is a balm in Gilead to heal the sin-sick soul. Now remember, we've got the mute switch on here. There. And here, I'll let you hear how the mute sounds when you mute it. So it's got it's completely, there's no click, just mutes the sound and lets the sound back in when you unmute it. So, you probably noticed that the AKG C520 has quite a bit of bass. So, it really sounds muddy when you're performing music with a mic that sounds like that. So you have to reduce the low frequencies, and the best way to do it is using a shelving filter. But what frequency do you cut out? Where do you put the shelving filter at? Do you put it at 200 hertz, 300 hertz, 400 hertz, 500 hertz, 800 hertz? Well, the HilderAmp headset mic already has that shelf built into the mic. You can just stick this microphone on your head, plug it into a mixing board, not have any EQ, and it'll sound great. Now, everyone's voice sounds a little different, so some voices have really sharp mids. You might want to cut a little bit of mids with some voices. Some voices you can just leave it without anything at all. But that's how the HilderAmp headset mic sounds. So, have a great day.